sharp. It's your hand. It's the way your hand is. You can't. I say it's your hand.
What do you mean my hand? What about my hand?
How about you? My name is Chief Omemboji. What name is it?
You're welcome, sir.
Yes. Someone recommended me to this salon. That what I have been looking for because of my girlfriends rejecting me would be solved here. Well,
who are we? We are only a pencil in the hand of the creator.
This is it here.
Sir?
It is encroaching. There's an encroachment. It is almost reaching my chop up self. If you can see it. Can you see it?
It's obvious, sir. It's very obvious.
So I was told that you can make me have hair again on top. Yes. In fact, I even want something like galants.
We don't render such services, yes, sir.
Yes, sir. And barhead is a family thing. Yes. It's in people's lineage.
You don't do surgery. You are just teasing me.
No, sir. No, we mean that this is your barhead now.
Yes.
Maybe your father had it.
Yeah.
He now gave you the barhead now.
Yeah, exactly.
Your son will have it.
What are you trying to tell me? Something that I go Bona did. Is it not it? Something that Casey Limpopo did. He even has that now. And you're telling me you don't want to do it.
So, sir, don't be influenced by the things you see on social media.
Yes, sir.
Some of these things are fake, sir.
Yes, sir. It's fake.
Yes.
And I was told it is 150,000 you people using to it.
Sir?
Or you want me to go to another family salon?
No, sir.
no,
Just
sir.
calm down, sir.
You can't do this thing.
Madam, wait. Yes, sir. You are in the right place, sir.
Sir, we don't render such services. We can't do it.
Look at him. You are always joking. You render it.
Yes, sir.
Do something for me.
Sir, you have come to where we'll solve all your problems.
I said
All your hairline problem is under control. Sir, come and sit down, sir.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Please, be fast about it.
Yes, sir. Sir, feel at home, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Sir, feel at home, sir.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Yes, sir.
Be fast about it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Are you mad?
Do this thing, no?
Bernard, if we miss this money, we kill you, go to the market, buy a coffin of your size and bury you.
Okay, who among us, who will fix the head?
Is it your
Who among
hair?
you can fix it? He's a big man. You know, he's a big man. Because I don't want problems. Because from all indications, that man is a big man.
You heard him. Aiko Bona did it. Casey Limpopo did it. If they did it, we can did it.
Yes.
Can't we did it?
We can did it.
Listen to me, let me tell you something that you don't know. 150,000 can change our life.
Yes.
Hear me?
I've said my
We are going to do it. Yes. Eh? Me, I have gum.
I have closure.
I can mix. Good.
Look, I'm not a part of
Hello.
Okay,
Just
I'm not a part of this.
Maybe it's 150.
Yes.
50.
Let's go.
Come down. You can't share money like that. Okay? I have blue.
Good. So now, I have gum. You have closure.
I can mix.
You can mix. 50-50. Now we'll do 50-50.
Yes.
25-25.
For what now?
See, just calm down. Just manage it. You, Bernard, go and keep him busy. Give him tea to take. Okay. While we sort out other things.
Why is it taking long?
He's coming, sir. Give him tea. Go and give him tea. Make him feel comfortable. Take milk. Now, bring carbon dioxide.
Yes, I have hydrochloric acid.
Bring it.
Hydrogen peroxide.
Bring it. Do you have acid? Like, bring it. Somebody should bring gum. That is gum, the brown one. Good. Then bring mixer, hair cream. You have it. Let's go.
Sir.
Fast.
We are very sorry for what happened.
Give me hairspray. Yes, hairspray, hurry.
Bring rollers.
Rollers, so fast.
Hold on now, I'm coming now. Rollers.
Yes, rollers. Bring carbon dioxide.
Yeah, carbon dioxide.
Good.
Yeah, now, let me see what you guys are eating.
Don't worry, you will see it. Dryer. Be fast, dryer.
I'm coming now. I'm coming. Yeah, dryer. Let me see.
Don't worry.
Let me see now.
Bring carbon dioxide. Bring tongue.
Which one is tongue?
My friend, tongue.
Be straight now. The one
Bring
that
tongue.
is here.
Hurry, tongue.
Man can get to it now. Man can get to it.
You something super glue.
I'm not understanding.
Oh yeah, bring the setting spray.
Setting spray.
Starting spray.
Oh,
Spray. Take.
thank you. Bring hairdresser cream.
Headdress.
It's up there.
The spray.
The spray. Yeah, take.
Point.
Let me see now.
You will see later. Pop. Bring the other gum. Final gum. Brown gum.
But glue.
And glue. F4 stick.
Be fast now.
Yeah,
This thing will
take.
spoil.
Good.
Wait now, let me
You see later.
Wait.
My friend, you see later. I said you see
Hold
later.
on now. You're distracting me.
Hair dryer.
Hair
Bring dryer. Fast. Highest. Yes, put it in the highest. Yes. 60 what? Make it 40. 40 degrees centigrade. Calm down.
Sorry. The heat has to dry.
Go and ask them casing in purple. This thing pain them now. It's surgery we're doing it so now. Calm down. Chief, relax. There is pain in every game.
Yes, this is pain.
Calm down. You see not girls that used to go and do surgery and take fat from their belly to their bum. It's pain now.
Sorry.
Chief, calm down.
Sorry, it will dry soon.
Let's take it easy. It have done. Check.
This man.
It's okay like that.
Are you sure, Chief?
One
Right now, open it. Roller. Clear the surgery room now. Clear the surgery room. Clear. Careful.
It is fine, ba?
Hey. Because this work we are doing is not easy.
Bernard,
It is hot, though.
Calm down.
Wow, this is wonderful.
I told you.
Wonderful.
We did it.
Look that.
We did it. It's fine. The fan. Put the fan for him.
Yeah.
Bring it close now.
Bring it closer.
Increase it.
Start. Let's Hey. Sir. Just 1 minute.
So let me get water.
I